Hello, everyone. In this video, I want to present a small arcade game project that I developed using JavaScript and the p5.js library. This project is a browser-based game that runs directly in the web browser without any installation. The main goal of the project was to create an interactive arcade experience and practice real-time game mechanics using JavaScript. The game is called Ball Collector Arcade Game. In the game, the player controls a catcher at the bottom of the screen, and the main objective is to collect falling balls while avoiding dangerous objects. The player moves the catcher using the mouse. When the player successfully catches a ball, the score increases and the player can build a combo multiplier. The project was built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The graphical part of the game is implemented using the p5.js library, which is very useful for creating animations, game loops, and visual effects inside the browser. The p5.js framework simplifies drawing shapes, detecting collisions, and updating objects frame by frame. The structure of the project is simple and modular. The index.html file loads the p5.js library and initializes the game environment. The style.css file is responsible for the visual layout and basic styling of the page. The main game logic is implemented inside the sketch.js file, where all game mechanics are coded. Inside the game loop, the program constantly updates the position of objects, detects collisions, and renders the scene on the canvas. This loop allows the game to run smoothly and react to player input in real time. One of the important mechanics in this project is the combo system. When the player collects balls consecutively without missing them, the combo multiplier increases. This allows the player to gain higher scores and adds an arcade feeling to the gameplay. The game also includes different object types. There are normal balls, bonus balls, and dangerous bombs. Bonus balls give extra score, while bombs reduce the player's lives. This creates a risk-reward system and makes the gameplay more dynamic. Another feature implemented in the game is the life system. The player starts with 3 lives. When the player catches a bomb or gets hit by a dangerous object, a life is lost. If all lives are lost, the game ends. The game also contains boss mechanics. At certain levels, a boss appears and introduces new attack patterns. The boss shoots projectiles toward the player and requires more skill to survive. This mechanic increases the difficulty gradually and keeps the game engaging. In addition to the boss system, the game includes special events, such as meteor storms and slow-motion abilities. These events change the pace of the game and add variation to the gameplay experience. Visually, the game features animated backgrounds and particle effects. The background uses procedural animation to create a dynamic environment, and particle effects are used to give visual feedback when the player collects objects or defeats enemies. The main objective of this project was to practice game logic, animation, and event handling in JavaScript. It also demonstrates how browser technologies can be used to create interactive games without external game engines. Overall, this project helped me improve my understanding of JavaScript programming, real-time rendering, and game design concepts such as scoring systems, difficulty progression, and player interaction. Thank you for watching this video presentation of my project.